Hello everyone. Let's play read and match game. We're going to read the words, then draw a line to the correct pictures. Are you ready? Let's start. So the first word we have is cap, cap, cap. Let's find the cap picture and draw the line to it. Great work, well done, fantastic job. Cap. The next word we have is man. Man. Let's find the man picture and draw the line to it. Great work, well done, man, man. The next word we have is tap, tap, tap. Let's find the tap picture and draw the line to it. Fantastic job, nearly there. Great work, well done. Now the next picture we have is cat, 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 cat. Let's draw the line to the cat. Fantastic, well done. Nearly there, fantastic, great work. Cat, cat. And the last word we have is pan, pan. Let's draw the line to the pan picture. Well done. Great work. Fantastic, nearly there. Well done. Great work, everyone. Fantastic. Now we have some more words here. Let's read our first word. Dad. Let's find the dad picture and draw the line to it. Well done, great work. Nearly there. Dad. Yes, fantastic. The next word we have is fun, fun. Let's find the fun picture and draw the line to the picture. Fantastic, great work, well done. Fun. The next word is can, can, can. Let's find the can picture and draw the line to it to match it to the word. Great work, well done, fantastic. And the next word we have is mat, mat. Let's find mat picture and draw the line. Great work, well done, fantastic job. Now the last word we have is bat, bat, bat. Let's find the bat picture. Yeah, that's our last picture. Let's draw the line to it all the way up to the bat. Well done, bat. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done, everyone. Hello, parents. I'm so excited to share my Etsy store where you will find a range of handmade resources created by an early years teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational materials are designed to make learning fun and effective. Visit my store and explore the perfect tools to help your little ones thrive. I will leave the link below. Thank you for your support.